Did you know every website you visit, every app you open, and every file you download generates network traffic? Meet Wireshark, the world's most popular network protocol analyzer. Originally released in 1998 as Ethereal by Gerald Combs, it was later renamed Wireshark in 2006 and has since become an essential tool for network engineers, incident responders, penetration testers, and cybersecurity professionals. Wireshark doesn't hack networks. It lets you see them. It captures packets traveling across a network and breaks them down into human-readable information, helping you understand exactly how devices communicate. It supports thousands of network protocols, including TCP, UDP, HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, DHCP, FTP, SSH, ICMP, and many more. With powerful display filters, packet coloring, stream reconstruction, protocol decoding, and traffic statistics, Wireshark makes troubleshooting and network analysis incredibly efficient. Security professionals use Wireshark to investigate suspicious traffic, analyze malware communications, troubleshoot network issues, validate firewall rules, diagnose slow connections, inspect DNS queries, and understand protocol behavior. It can also import and analyze PCAP files from other tools. Available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, Wireshark has become one of the most valuable tools for anyone working in networking or cybersecurity. It won't exploit a system, but it will show you exactly what's happening on the wire. If you enjoyed this 100 seconds of hacking tools breakdown, subscribe to Hacker's Arsenal. Every week, I'll explain one cybersecurity tool in under 100 seconds. I'll see you in the next one.